Gandhiji's life was an example of discipline, moral strength, and simplicity. His childhood too was marked by incidents that shaped his moral character. Let me share one such story with you. Once a mother brought her son to Mahatma Gandhi and requested, Bapu, please tell my son not to eat too much jaggery. It is not good for his health. Gandhi looked at the boy and said, come back after 2 weeks. When the mother and the boy came back after 2 weeks, Gandhi had stopped eating jaggery himself. He then told the boy with full sincerity, my child, too much jaggery is not good for your health. Please avoid it. From this incident, we learn that true leaders practice before they preach.
In 1930, the British government imposed a heavy tax on salt, a basic necessity for all. Gandhi decided to protest against this unjust law in a peaceful manner. He began a 240-mile march from Sabarmati Ashram to the coastal village of Dandi with a group of followers. After walking for 24 days, Gandhi reached Dandi, and in front of thousands, he bent down, picked up a handful of salty mud and made salt in defiance of the law. This simple act of civil disobedience inspired millions across India to stand up against the oppressive policies of the British government without violence.
After Gandhiji, another great son of India, whose birthday we celebrate on 2nd October is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Shastriji was not just a leader of the country. He was the leader of simplicity, honesty, and courage. His life was guided by honesty right from the beginning. Once he was traveling by train. The ticket checker doubted him as he bought the half ticket. He admitted that he had crossed the age by just a few months. Without negotiating and any arguments, he quietly paid the full fare. This small act shows his integrity at a very simple age.
Even as a student, Shastriji walked several kilometers every day because he could not afford bus fare. Despite hardships, he remained determined to complete his education. Even as a Prime Minister, he lived with the same simplicity, never using his position for personal luxury. His life teaches us that true strength lies in simplicity and hard work.
In 1956, when Shastriji was the Union Minister, a tragic train accident occurred which claimed many lives. Although he was not directly responsible, Shastriji took it as moral responsibility and resigned from his post. This act of accountability was rare in politics but shows ethical leadership.
His honesty later in life grew into a deep sense of sacrifice for the nation. During the time of food shortage, he appealed people to give up one meal a week. To set an example, he even asked his own family to stop drinking milk. Children were upset. He explained that a true leader must first practice what he preaches.